one of our family members completes his dreams of Film City, and I'm very happy that he even posted his series before he died. All I know that the Lord is with him right now, and with my late sister Courtney, with also my uncle Waswa. I better hope one day I might see him again in heaven. If I'd known he had a sick heart, I would have persuaded him to go to the hospital and complete his surgery. And sadly, one of my sisters isn't here now, Brenda, but she's coming in tomorrow, I think. All I know is that I want to continue my dad's legacy. And like I want to create a museum about him, telling everyone about every single thing that he did, like that. All I know that he's with the angels. He died while he was smiling. And celebrate his death. His life.
Protocol, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say a few things, and that is, I want to celebrate my dad's life instead of mourning him. You guys know my father through different images. You guys know my dad.
It's okay. Huh? It's okay.
Someone I got Guy.
It is well with my soul, with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul.
I want to say that one thing I want to remember about my dad is that he wasn't a hypocrite. He was true to himself. He was loving, and he had something in my heart. I cherish everyone in that. And but even though I don't think he's near, he'll still be right next to us, right here. And God will enable us to go through all this. And I just pray that whoever was offended by my dad, just forgive me. Just please forgive him so that he can go with God and obey.
Tulizukira fena, tulizukira fe mu kitiibwa kya Yesu kul'oluvannyuma kw'olwo. Tulizukira fena, tulizukira fe mu kitiibwa kya Yesu kul'oluvannyuma.
Kasooke mbabuuze mu ngeri dadi gye yandiyagaddemu okugambanga n'omukwata mu mukono nga n'omugamba kumoni takukkiriza ayagala ekigambo ekisooka mu kabaka kibeere Ssaabasajja Kabaka awangaale, omuddemu awangaale nnyo. Akkiriza ayagala ekigambo ekisooka mu kabaka kibeere Ssaabasajja Kabaka awangaale, omuddemu awangaale nnyo. dati omuntu abadde mukuwa abantu nga abantu bandi kumwe mwenna muzzeonga mwajjanga wano ku makya ssaawa emu ng'akyebase nemukonkona netujja netubagulira nemugamba magala nga tafaayo oba oli muti oba oli muvuzi wa booda oba oli ki ngenda nga tubateeka mu gazeti eyo netubatuuza nogenda musenge nomugamba dadi waliwo aziza okukola n'agamba kanzije era abantu mwenna abeerubaga tufiirirwa nnyo
kutendereza Yesu oli mwana
wa Ngaruza family. Several right honorable speaker olunaku lwabwe kwogera ku kitaabwe ffenna tuyinza okuba n'ebigambo byaffe naye tuyina kigambo tetuyinza tewali wayinza kumanya bulumi bwa mwana ku kitaawe oba ku mukadde we yadde bulumi bwa mukadde wa mwana ku mwana we. Right honorable speaker obadde okyayogera ssebo mukama wange Lord Mayor w'ekibuga kino Alhaji Salongo Kanso Elias Lukwago naye watuukidde mukama wange. Mukadde wange ssebo nsaba nsooke nkuyite oteekeko ekimuli kyo anthems, please.
Free.